Online business for beginners. You guys, this is an absolute awesome topic. I absolutely love to share this because it's so inspiring to me. Hey everyone, my name is Scarlett and welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe so you get all the juicy details about digital marketing and how you can become super successful with this online business and shock yourself. So first of all, you are going to purchase one of these 4 programs, my friends, and you're going to get a set of trainings immediately and you're going to be part of our community. So inside of the trainings, they show you step by step how you can become successful with this. They show you what to do and what not to do and how this works, my friends, and how you can just do the things that you love, but only by following a 2-hour workday. So once you set up your website, which is in the training as well, you can do the things that you love because it's automated, which means once you get people inside, once you get customers inside of your funnels, you don't have to do all the work. It sends out the emails, it does all the work for you, my friends. It's absolutely amazing and so possible for you because it's beginner friendly. You don't need tech skills and absolutely no experience to start this. So if you are ready for this, put ready in the comments or just go to my description. I'm going to put my link inside of there and just go check out my website and see exactly what it is I do and how you can become so successful beyond your wildest dreams with this digital marketing journey, my friends. And I'm here to help. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comments and don't hesitate to ask me anything. I am here for you guys and I would love to have you guys part of this journey. It would be an absolute pleasure to share this with you guys. Have a beautiful day, my friends, and I hope you have an awesome day.